Good morning, children. Welcome to your English class. Today, we are going to study a very beautiful poem, The Coming of Spring by Sanchit Saluja. Sanchit Saluja is a person or a poet who has composed this poem. Now, before starting the poem, let's discuss about season. You all must be knowing about different seasons of the year. How many seasons are there? Yes, there are four seasons in a year. What are they? Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. And in this poem, we are going to discuss about the most beautiful season of the year, that is spring season. Let's see how. Okay, now I'm going to read the poem. Listen to me once and then try to repeat the poem after me. Say, how do I know that spring is here? Because the world is full of happiness and cheer. The beautiful roses, lilies, and daffodils peep out of everyone's window sills. The grass starts getting soft and green. The garden makes a very pretty scene. Tall bushes all start to unfold and introduce the sun's morning serene gold. Now, Now I am repeating the poem once again. How do I know that spring is here? The poet is saying that हमको कैसे पता चलेगा, सबको कैसे पता चलता है कि स्प्रिंग सीजन आ गया है? कुछ तो ऐसा होता होगा. समथिंग मस्ट बी हैपनिंग इन द एनवायरनमेंट, सम चेंजेस, कुछ चीज़ें बदलती होंगी जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि सीज़न बदल गया है. जैसे ठंड में हमको ठंड लगने लगती है. In the summer we used to feel very hot. Then what happens in the spring? Yes, you are right. As you can see in this picture, this is a picture of a spring season. In this you can see that the spring has come. And how do we know that? Because the world is full of happiness and cheer. As you can see that in all the places there are leaves, green leaves and flowers are there in all the trees. The sun is shining brightly, the birds are there. So a sense of happiness and cheer is there. It means that all the people start feeling good. सबको अच्छा लगने लगता है. The beautiful roses, lilies and daffodils, or we can see that different kinds of flowers starts blooming in the environment, like roses, lilies and daffodils peep out of everyone's window sills. And what happens with this flower? They start coming out of window sills. It means that the poet is saying that the flowers which we have grown inside our house starts blooming and coming out of the house. Means it becomes visible that flowers are there in everybody's house. The grass starts getting soft and green. What happens with this grass? The grass which is dried by the sun in different season, now because of the beautiful season and greenery all around, it becomes soft and green. Grass means घास, जो जिस घास में हम चलते हैं, जो हमारे पार्क में रहती है, वो soft और green हो जाती है. The garden makes a very pretty scene. And why the garden looks very pretty? Because of the beautiful flowers all around, because the grass in which we walk in our garden also becomes very soft and green. वो अब गड़ती नहीं है पैरों में जब हम walk करते हैं तो. Tall bushes all starts to unfold. और जो पेड़ होते हैं, बड़े बड़े पेड़, टॉल, उनकी bushes जो होती हैं वो खुलने लगती हैं. They start spreading themselves and introduce the sun's morning serene gold. Okay, now what does this means? And introduce the sun's morning serene gold. As you can see in the picture, the tall bushes all starts to unfold, और जो सूरज की रोशनी होती है, you can see the sun's morning rays are yellow in color, just like gold. So it starts getting uh, more and more gold and spreading in all directions. So the meaning of this sentence is that because of the beautiful season all around and because of the rays of the sun, whole environment become peaceful and calm. There is calmness and peacefulness in the environment, and you can see that the birds sing, flowers bloom only when the environment is very peaceful and calm. So once again I read and explain the poem. How do I know that spring is here? Because the world is full of happiness and cheer. The beautiful roses, lily and daffodils peep out of everyone's window sills. The grass starts getting soft and green. The garden makes a very pretty scene. Tall bushes all starts to unfold and introduce the sun's morning serene gold. And the tall bushes of the tree starts to spread the rays of the sun all around and make the environment very peaceful and calmness. So have you all understood this poem, children? It's a very nice poem. Learn the poem, try to recite it many times, write it down in your copy and see the picture which I have made for all of you. You also try to make the same picture out of your imagination of the spring season, what happens in the spring season. And let me tell you one thing, that the spring season comes in the month of March, April and May. So yes, you are correct, the spring season is going on. You can see flowers blooming all around your garden, greenery is there, the sun is not so hot like it used to be in June. So here are the difficult words of the poem. The first word is happiness, then cheer, beautiful, roses, lilies, daffodils, peep, sills, pretty, bushes, unfold, introduce, serene and gold. So learn these spell well words, write down in your notebooks, write down the poem, complete the poem in your notebooks, spell well words and draw the diagram of the poem. Thank you.